Man, what's going on, YouTube? Sideways Hemi is back. Y'all ain't seen, heard from me in a minute. It been too long. It been too long, YouTube. But I'm back. Sideways Hemi is back in the fucking building with these stocky wheels. But just know, I got the stock wheel, but this bitch still gonna get sideways though. Watch I get sideways on them though. Oh God, this bitch gonna get sideways. Anyway, go. Up this scoop. Man, yeah, man. Look at the city, man. Look at the city. The city looking nice. Aquarium over there and shit. You know, courtyard by the Marriott and shit. Goddamn baseball stadium in the back and shit. But nah, you know, shit, man. I'm finna get big. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie. You need to give me a straight A bumper so I can wide body kick this motherfucker. Cause that's what I need. I want a wide body, them motherfuckers. What y'all think? Wide body? I done seen some wide bodies. Them motherfuckers hard. God, them motherfuckers hard. Hold on, let me show y'all one of the motherfuckers I seen. Them motherfuckers so trim. That bitch. Look at that bitch. That bitch with wide body. Same go. That bitch trim. I gotta find that nigga Instagram. That nigga shit hard as fuck. But yo, I'm finna go ahead and get big. I really need to go get a wash on my shit. I'm gonna wash my shit. And then shit. Well, I'm finna cut up. Then I'm gonna wash my shit later on. Fuck all that. I gotta get videos for y'all. It been too long. It been too long. What it say? It been a long time coming. But I know Sideways Hemi gon' slide that bitch. Oh yes he is. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Y'all see what it say over there? 39 deuce. Yeah, don't worry about it. Homemade. Let that bit rumble. Let that bit rumble. Shit. Hey, you can catch me over here on up what up here day. Y'all. It wasn't my own boy. We say. They get busy though, y'all. Start that bitch off in sport. Y'all see that light that's flashing? Look, that light that's flashing, y'all. That's only because, like, the touch sensor. My shit really straight. I got air in that motherfucker. Air's in that motherfucker. Yes sir, yes sir. Air's in that motherfucker. So. I'm trying to make sure this camera is straight for y'all. Oh yeah. I heard the fuck out them sirens though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I heard a little burble the other day in my shit though. I want to rev my shit, but I'm hearing them sirens, fool. I'm hearing them sirens. Fuck a siren. Oh man, I missed the YouTube, man. I've been gone too long, y'all. It's gone too long, man. Had to be back right. Y'all heard the little baby burbles in my shit though. Y'all might can't hear that little shit, but yeah, my shit got a little baby burble. Little baby burble. Little baby burble. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna fuck up the streets for y'all though. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna fuck up the streets for y'all. Oh my God, they got, why the fuck do they got that shit right there? Man, they got that fucking car in the end of they fucking car. What the fuck? That bad. Late night swerving. Y'all wanna hear that late night swerving? Let's say. She's sweet, but sure ain't no way that is good. Tell her papa first so I can fuck and get the best of her. My young never had no bad bitch, he is the best of her. My friends are ass for thanking on, so 3-5, it ain't no, it's 20. I'm hearing the siren. All they got is pull up for the siren. Y'all know you gotta pull up for the siren though. heard this motherfucker so long. Y'all ain't heard this motherfucker. Though. Oh my, that been popping. Oh shit. Damn, y'all ain't heard my baby in a minute. Oh, hold up. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Y'all might hear a little squeal. Oh fucking well. Turn that traction off a little bit. Little GoPro action. That motherfucker pardon. That motherfucker pardon, coach. Hey y'all know y'all missed it, motherfucker. Then I dropped the camera all the way down. Make sure y'all can see this shit, man, cause this shit get really wicked out here. This shit really get wicked. Slide, y'all want me to slide that bit? Oh yeah. Don't play. Hold up. Shit. Brand new. I'm driving like a red eye. Hold on, I'm through my phone. Though, I ain't gonna lie, I been getting hot as fuck quick down here where I'm at. We in that fucking south, motherfucker. We in the fucking south. My shit ain't getting, hey, y'all see my shit ain't getting, you know, it's dry fuck. I need some water on the motherfuckers. Or what? You think I need some water? I wanna know what y'all think. Nigga sideways Hemi the time. Y'all know the fuck going on. I missed it. Oh shit. Fuck, I really want to slide my shit. That motherfucker slid right there though. I'm dropping all my shit, y'all. I keep throwing all my. Oh shit, put that shit in now. I need to fuck them up for y'all. I really want to slide my shit real quick too, if I'm not mistaken though. Like, real deal. It feel good as fuck outside too, y'all. I'm gonna tell that motherfucker, I'm tell it, give me one road. I just need one good little road. These motherfuckers bumpy as fuck over here though. I ain't turn this shit up. I can tear that bitch up right there though. Oh, that's a parking lot, y'all. Should I go try to slide my shit? Fuck it. Why not, gang? Why not? I'm gonna try to slide real quick, y'all. Fuck it. Fuck that. Smoke that bitch out, y'all. That's how I do it, gang. Y'all better stop sleeping on these motherfucking RTE, boy. RT's like that. RT's like that. Don't ever sleep on an RT. When sideways ain't behind the wheel. Down shit that motherfucker. Down shit that motherfucker. Woo! You too. The sideways Hemi. Sideways Hemi. Woo! It's early morning too. slide right here too. Oh no, I ain't gonna do it. I saw the little kids and shit. I was gonna do it, but I saw the wife and the kids and the dad and shit. I ain't even on that. I was going, hey, y'all saw them neighbors that was standing on the porch door when I left. Should've pulled your phone out, be recorded it. Just work that bitch out. I'll smoke this bitch out though. I need to find my phone real quick, y'all. I keep dropping my shit. Oh, this is a good spot right here, y'all. Good little spot. Yes, sir. That bitch, I'm smoking that bitch out though. I ain't gonna lie. I'ma hit y'all when I get back to that highway though. Oh God, I'm tripping. Well, in that tunnel though, YouTube. I said when I get back to the highway, but I'm in that fucking tunnel. That bitch, what? Woo! Hold up, down shit one more time. In the streets, who guess who raised me? The streets. YouTube, it's hot as fuck again. Damn! What? But damn. Trying to get to the highway for y'all. Like, I'm gonna get to the highway. Give me about 5 seconds. Or 5 minutes. Again, wait. She loves, she says, man. I've been in the studio, I've been trying to get a rapper wet. Take your car and on the same God, that is a wait. Oh my God, they going trend. Niggas started shooting. This kid, but they missed. I've been out. I just ain't had the camera. But hey, I'm back though. Shit. Set that motherfucker up. Highway time? Yes, sir. Shit. Man, that mother, hey, it pulled though. Y'all be sleep on the Hemi like with the RT, like these motherfuckers ain't slow. They quick. I don't know what I said. They quick. I ain't just gonna call it the best shit in the world, but you know, I mean, my shit getting off of it. I don't give a fuck. I'll line up against a fucking goddamn Dodge, goddamn Demon. I don't give no fuck about none of that shit, man. I'm telling you. I don't give a fuck what you in. Twin, I'm telling you, twin, whichever you in, I'm trying to, hey, I'm with you. I don't give no fuck. I'm cut up with you. Hold up. We got a truck. We got a truck, y'all know. Fuck. That wind too loud. That bitch rolled the whole window down. I'm gonna let y'all hear from the back though. Y'all might can hear. Damn! 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 That bitch really like that though. Y'all hear that motherfucker fine? That bitch back there pooting. That bitch back there poop. Oh shit, my bad, I shared it. Oh. Ooh. I ain't even got my shit in sport mode. Oh shit. Oh. Shit, that motherfucker so loud, gang. I don't know what I'd do without that motherfucker. Without that baby. Motherfucker back there though. That motherfucker be body, y'all. But I ain't racing no fucking body. I need a tune. I need a tune. Hey, when I get that Autobahn tune though. When I get that Autobahn tune though. Yeah. I'm telling y'all. Wide body dually tooly. That big guy. Wide body tires on the back with a big boy 18-wheeler trucks on the wheels. Bad on God. On the other side, fuck. Now he wanna go fly past me. He had to run them tags. I'm clean, baby. I'm clean, baby. He get off this highway though, I'm about to tear this motherfucker up. That's all I can say. Watch out. Watch out. Cause he just got off. But he still can see me though. Too much, no. You know they motherfucking straight pipe, you know. Y'all know how that straight pipe get. Fuck, they gonna lie. This AI shit be lit as fuck, fool. I love AI, bro. Y'all niggas, fool. AI is taking over, fool. There's so much shit you can do with AI. Like, I'm literally like at home. But I'm making it look like I'm driving this car. This shit crazy. Oh yeah, we gotta get. I gotta get him in the vlog though. Hey, that vid was nice though, y'all saw that vid. Woo! I just got this bitch. Hey. Where the fuck bro going? Yeah, I'm done now, y'all. I'm done now. That's it. That concludes the video right there. I just fucked them up. Yep. Y'all like shit. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. This shit going up all summer, all 2025. Yes, sir.